you tried it all in your search for the truth, somehow you're falling for life, trying to recall the simple ways of your youth. When your faith is wrong, you'll never question why. But you found out life wasn't easy. Sometimes the answers were hard to see. You didn't have the strength for one more try. I'll be holding out hope to you, even in this world breaks your heart in two. When your life is consumed by your fear and your doubts, I'll be holding out hope to you. In the stillness of the night, there's a voice calling you. Same as true, you heard it once before. In the darkness there's a light, and a hand to lead you through to the hope that waits beyond the open door. And you found out life is worth living, the answers lies where your faith begins. You'll find the strength for one more try. I'll be holding out hope to you, even in this world breaks your heart in two. When your life is consumed by your fear and your doubt, I'll be holding out hope to you. Consumed by your fear and your doubts, I'll be holding out hope to you. When your life is consumed